hell is that? Look out, Shrek 2, Day of the Donkey.
Oh, boy.
Or Shrek 2, The Donkey's Revenge.
Easy.
Look out, Shrek 2, Too Fast, Too Donkey.
Just eat your goobers and shut your gob, okay?
How about Shrek 2, A Donkey Will Rise on?
Give us a break.
Or something like Shrek 2, The Fellowship of the Donkey.
Please.
This close to glue.
2, The Donkey King. I like that.
Just quiet.
Shrek 2, Dead Donkey Society.
This is torture.
Shrek 2, the real jackass movie.
No.
How about this? Shrek 2, Donkey Reloaded. Come on, work with it.
How about this? Shrek 2. Dude, where's my donkey? Oh, there he is. Cut from the movie because he talks too much.
What kind of title is that?